Perseus LM. Dam is sibling to two 160 horses. Under Jeroen de Winter, sire Pegase van Ruytershof is exceeding all expectations on 1.55 m level already, and he is making a remarkable impact in breeding. Perseus LM represents a first-class dam line, as his dam Onike 6.0 JLM is a sibling to the international 160 level show jumpers Zoran, ridden by Aaron Ballard, and Unico, ridden by Astrid van Leuven. Besides, Grand Dam Onike has foaled 3 more 140 show jumpers. This line continues with Great Grand Dam Kronike, who was an international 1.50 m level show jumper under the saddle of Gianni Govoni.